This is like probably your most modified car.
I'm scared, bro. Most modified?
Yeah.
In your opinion? The Tracky? Oh my God. So, all right, so chat. This one is the one that Aiden bought me. Aiden bought me the Trackhawk. Aiden bought me the Trackhawk. Oh shit, I'm scared, bro. I'm fucking scared, dude.
What do you think?
Oh my gosh. Let me know. Oh! Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Yo, the wheels is crazy. Gang, these wheels is, yo, look at this shit. Gang, what the fuck? Yo.